What's up guys, and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make an Arduino serial monitor using Visual Basic in Visual Studio 2015. So here I have my form. I have a group box which is connection. I have two labels. I have here two combo boxes, one for the available ports and one for the baud rates, and I have here the connect disconnect button, and here I have a text box 1 for sending the data, and here I have a rich text box 1 for receiving the data. So in this combo box of the baud rate here, I have put some baud rates, the standard baud rates by the Arduino IDE, and here I have a serial port control, serial port 1, and ensure that in the properties of the serial port the discard null is set to true and the DTR enable is set to true. Okay, we should be good to go now. Okay, so first of all, we want to double click on the form and go to the form load event. And actually, we want to first of all imports system.io.ports. So now we're gonna make a for loop. So for each port as string in serial port get port names, combo box 1.items add port, and after this we're going to select the first port. So combo box 1.selected index equals 0, and we want to select the baud rate 9600 as it's a common baud rate. So combo box 2.selected item equals 9600. Okay. Now, okay, let's put this in a try-catch block just to avoid any errors. And here, message box, ex.message. Okay. Now we want to double click on the connect button. Okay, so first of all, we are going to set the port name and the baud rate for the serial port. So serial port 1 the baud rate equals combo box 2 dot selected item, and we can type val of combo box 2 dot selected item as this is an integer value. I want to type serial port 1 the port name equals combo box 1 dot selected item. Okay, now between try catch block I'm gonna type serial port 1 dot open, and this opens the port. And after opening the port, we want to change the text of this button. So button 1.text equals disconnect, and we want to disable this connection group box. And by the way, this text box is the enabled of this text box is false, so we want to set it to true. So text box 1.enabled equals true, and group box 1.enabled equals false. And all of this is in case of the button 1 text is connect. So if button 1.text equals connect, then we're gonna do all of this. Else we are going to close the port and change the enabled of the text box to false and the group box to true, and change the text to connect. Okay. Now the next step is that we are going to handle the text sending and text receiving. Starting by the text sending, we're going to go to the code. We're going to select from here the text box 1 and select from the events key down, and if the key is enter, then we're going to send the text. So we're going to check if e.keycode equals keys.enter, then we're going to send this text. So serial port 1.write text box 1.text, and after sending the text we want to clear the text box 1. So text box 1 text.clear. Okay, and we want to choose from this combo box the serial port 1, and we want to choose here the event data received. So if we receive a data, we are going to add this data to our rich text box. So we're gonna type rich text box 1.text ampersand equal, and this is gonna append on the text box 1 text serial port 1 dot read existing. Okay, one last piece of code that we want to type is in the form load event here. Just before this try catch block, we're gonna type windows dot forms dot control dot check for illegal cross-thread code equals false, and we should be good to go now. Okay, I have here an Arduino sketch that is uploaded to my Arduino, that is whenever it receives 1, it prints LED is on, 0 LED is off, Bassel was received. So let's give it a try. I'll connect now my Arduino to my laptop, and let's start the program. Okay, we're going to choose the COM7, which is the port for my Arduino, and the baud rate is 9600, and let's hit connect. Okay, let's now try to send 1. Here we go. LED is on. Let's try to send Bassel. Bassel was received. As you notice here, Bassel was received is a print line, and LED is on is a print line, but LED is off is a print. So we're going to test this just right now. So let's put a 0. Here we go. Let's put a 1, and as you see, it did not go to a new line, as the LED is off is only a print, not a print line. One last thing that I did not do, I have to include this only inside the connect part to avoid any errors, and we should be good to go. Let's give it another shot. Alright, thank you guys for watching.